Do you get those winter blues? Sometimes I do. In the Midwest, sometimes the sun doesn't come out for days in the winter. That's why I created this confidence diffusing blend. For this diffuser blend, you're going to add 2 drops of bergamot. This oil is very uplifting and it really boosts the mood. Along with bergamot, I'm going to add 1 drop of Ravensara. This oil is very calming and helps push away negative thoughts. Once it's in, diffuse in an open room to have confidence feelings all day long. If you really love this blend like I do, create a master blend by using 60 drops bergamot and 30 drops Ravensara to fill this bottle up for confidence on the go. When you subscribe to our monthly box, not only will you get these 2 oils and a blend bottle, you'll get 2 more essential oils plus 5 more recipes to make your home more natural. Along with all these great things, we'll send you labels to help keep your recipes straight. So subscribe today to make your home more natural.